Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to see daily technical analysis for gold. Before going for the analysis, we'll look at today's economic calendar and then we'll proceed our gold analysis. So when we look at today's calendar, at 6:15 p.m. we have high impacting news coming for euro related currency pairs. And at 7 p.m. also we have euro related currency pairs, so it's going to be a long event. And then at 7 p.m. we have USD currency pair related high impacting news coming up. We also have medium impacting news coming up at the same time. So today we can see lot of volatilities in euros and USD currencies. So plan your trade based on the news schedules. Don't enter into the trade at the wrong time. Let us start with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold USD currency pairs. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously it was in a very strong bullish trend, and from here, due to the Ukraine-Russia war tension, we had a very steep rise in the bullish trend. And currently when we notice the price action, it has tested the level of 2071, then it is in a retracement from yesterday. I have also drawn a trend line over here where it was taking support on this trend line and went on a bullish trend. Currently it is in a retracement. So if the price action retraces also, the first level of support is going to be this trend line over here. The price action has to break this trend line in order to go on a bearish trend reversal. It has already broken this support level of 1988, and next level of support is going to be around 1915. This whole area was a very strong resistance zone. When we look at the past price action, this is the highest level it has gone, which was around 2071. Then from this level the price action retraced up to the level of 1677, and it was trading on a range on the sideways, and due to the war tension news, steeply raised on the bullish trend. Currently the price action bounced back or found resistance at the resistance level of 2071, which is around 61% of Fibonacci's extension level, and currently it has broken also the 50% of the Fibonacci's level, and it is heading for the 38.20% in Fibonacci's retracement tool, which is going to be around 1915. And this whole area is also going to be a very strong support zone, because in the past also we have seen this area to be acting as a very strong resistance zone. So currently these are all the support and resistance levels. So when we ask the question whether the price action has taken a bearish trend reversal, I would say it is still too early to decide on the trend reversal, because it is only on a retracement. It is not a trend reversal. So we have noticed in the past also it has taken support and bounced back on the bullish side. So we can expect a similar price action to be repeated again, and only when it breaks this support line or the trend line, and it has to break this support level of 1915, then only we can say that it is a bearish trend reversal. Currently the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. I have also marked the trend line or the support line for the hourly time frame. Here currently the price action has taken support on this trend line, and I am expecting it to bounce back on the bullish side. Even if the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect it to take support on this trend line from the daily time frame and to bounce back on the bullish side. We have the two levels of support, and we have the permanent support level at 1915. Only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in these currency pairs. Currently the price action is only on a retracement, and we can expect the trend reversal to happen. Currently the price action has gone steeply and came on a retracement. We have seen a similar price action in the past also, where the price action has gone steeply, tested this resistance level of 1976, then retracement had happened. So it is repeating the similar price action which had happened on the past also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, and currently the price action is testing the 50% retracement level in Fibonacci's retracement tool. If the candle breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the Fibonacci's retracement tool, which is going to be around 1953. This level had acted as a very strong resistance level in the past also. Let us see if it breaks this 61.80 level. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. We have the hourly time frame support line or the trend line over here, and I have drawn another trend line for the 30 minutes time frame. The price action had clearly broken this trend line, and you can notice that it has gone back and tested this resistance line also. Then only it started its downside momentum. So currently the price action is only on a retracement. Still the price action is trading in a very strong bullish trend. It has retraced to actually gather enough momentum to break this resistance level of 2071. Only when it breaks this support level of 1915, we can expect the bearish trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support level of 1961, which is the 100% retracement in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I have drawn a trend line or the resistance line over here. The price action had tested this resistance level and always bounced back on the bearish side, but here we have noticed it breaking this resistance line, and then it has found resistance at the level of 1996. Then a bearish trend reversal has happened. Currently the price action is taking support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. So from this price action we can understand that there are multiple trends in the 5 minutes time frame, and the trend in 5 minutes time frame always changes. So I would recommend you to trade based on the higher time frame trend or the support line, so that the percentage of success will be higher. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. I have drawn the both on the higher side and also on the lower side. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support line or the trend line from the hourly time frame. If the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to test the support level of 1960 from the 5 minutes time frame. And if the price action goes still further, we have the higher time frame support line or the trend line from the daily time frame. I am expecting it to trend down and take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.